Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. How to fix? The device is being used by another application. Error in Windows. There have been reports from Windows users getting the error. The device is being used by another application, especially when trying to use devices such as a microphone, a webcam, and other audio devices. If you're experiencing this error message, we've got you covered. In this troubleshooting video, we will talk about how to fix this error and regain control of the device again. Now, if you are ready to get your devices to work smoothly again, let us dive right into the solutions and resolve the issue in no time. Let's get started. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. The first solution is to restart audio service. Restarting the audio service is a simple and effective troubleshooting step that can help resolve the error and restore normal functionality to your audio devices. It can help in situations where the error is caused by a temporary conflict or a glitch in the audio system. To do this, press the Windows key plus R keys to open the run box. At the run box, type services.msc and press enter or click OK. Now at the services window, locate Windows Audio Service. Right-click on the service and select Restart from the drop-down menu. After restarting the audio service, check if the error message is resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. The next solution is disabling allowing apps to control the sound options. This solution of disabling prevents applications from accessing and controlling the audio devices on your computer. When enabled, this option allows individual applications to take exclusive control over the audio device, potentially leading to conflicts such as another application error using the device. Therefore, make sure it is disabled. To do this, press the Windows key plus R keys to open the run box. At the run box, type SND volume, press enter, or click OK to open the volume mixer window. You will then see the applications currently running using the sound on the window. Now you'll need to end the application from the Task Manager. Now right-click on Windows button and then select Task Manager. Then under Apps, locate the application using the sound. Right-click on the applications and then select End Task. Next, let us now change the sound settings. To do this, press Windows or Start button. Click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Now in Settings window, click System. Then click Sound at left pane. Next, click on Device Properties under the speaker currently your sound output. Then, select Additional Device Properties. Now, click on Advanced tab then. Under Exclusive Mode, make sure to uncheck the option Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply to apply changes made. Click OK to exit and confirm. Check if error message is resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. The third solution is to run an SFC scan. SFC, or System File Checker, scans your computer for corrupt system files and bugs that may be the culprit for error codes to appear when trying to access or use an audio device. To do this, type the command prompt at the search bar located at the lower left, then click Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu. At Command Prompt window, type the command SFC scan now and press enter. Wait for SFC scan to complete. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if the error message is resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. The fourth solution is to roll back drivers. Rolling back reverts the drivers to a previous version before experiencing issues. This means any recent updates or changes that were made might be causing the error to occur. Therefore, to try to resolve this rollback driver. To do this, press the Windows key plus R keys to open the run box. At the run box, type devmgmt.msc and press enter or click OK. Now click Audio Inputs and Outputs to expand it. Right-click on your speaker and then select Properties from the drop-down menu. Next, click Driver tab, then select Rollback Driver. If the option is grayed out, no previous version is available to roll back to. Now, check if error message is resolved. If not, move on to the next solution. The next solution is to update audio driver. Updating fixes corrupt drivers that may be causing the error to appear. Make sure drivers are up to date. To do this, press the Windows key plus R keys to open the run box. At the run box, type devmgmt.msc and press enter or click OK. Now click Audio Inputs and Outputs to expand it. Right-click on your speaker and then select Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Then select the option Search Automatically for Drivers. Windows will now update drivers. Once the best drivers are already installed, click Close to exit. Next, restart computer. Once computer completely reboots, check if the error message is resolved. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and have a great day. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.